the Dee's English Podcast.
Welcome to Speak with Cee and Dee. I'm Dee, and yes, we promise this is not another boring English class.
Yeah, no homework, no exams, just conversations. I'm Sephora.
Actually, quick question. Have you ever studied English for years, understood everything, and then suddenly forgot how to speak when someone says hi?
That moment when your brain just closes all the tabs at once.
Exactly. Grammar, gone. Vocabulary, missing. Confidence, offline.
I see this all the time. So be honest, are people just lazy?
No, I don't think so. I think people spend too much time studying English and not enough time living in it.
Okay, but wait, isn't studying the whole point?
It is, but there's passive learning and active living. Some people watch movies with subtitles in their own language and feel productive, but honestly, their brain is taking a nap.
So it's like going to the gym just to watch other people exercise.
Exactly. You feel motivated, but your muscles learn nothing.
So what's the secret? How do we actually lift the weights?
You need to accept something called the ugly phase.
That already sounds dangerous.
It's that moment when you speak, make mistakes, and feel a little stupid. But if you accept being ugly for a while, you become fluent later.
Okay, I'm ready. Give us something practical.
Stop translating in your head.
That's hard. Everyone does that.
Try labeling. Look around your room right now. See a chair? Don't translate. Just think, chair. Build a direct connection, no middle language.
I like that. It feels like a game.
Imagine you're in a cafe. You forget the word for spoon.
That happens to me.
The scared student stops talking. The survival student says, "Excuse me, I need the small thing for the sugar."
The small thing. But honestly, people will understand.
Exactly. Communication beats perfection.
Dee, this conversation changed the way I see learning. It feels less scary now.
Sephora, language is something you don't finish learning. It's something you grow into.
That's beautiful.
Every word you try, every mistake you make, is proof that you are moving forward. Silence never builds fluency. Action does.
So maybe confidence doesn't come before speaking.
Maybe confidence comes from speaking.
I like that. So here's your challenge today. Look around you. Find one object you don't know in English. Learn it and use it.
Write in the comments, "Today I learned the word," and become part of this journey with us.
Because none of us learn alone.
Stay curious
Stay brave.
and keep speaking. See you next time.